So next we come to that is integration by parts method. So in previous video classes we have completed that is integration by using the method of partial fractions. So we have completed. Next we come to that is the integration by parts method. So means when we are using this method, so if we have got that is a product of two function ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ integration by parts method use ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So let me come to that is how to let me consider. So how to get that is the integration of the product of two functions. Before that we have already known the certain theorems which we have studied in the integral in starting video classes. So one which we are going to use, that is integration of f dash of x into dx is nothing but f of x. This already we have studied this property. With the help of this property we are finding that is the integral of product of functions. So let me consider we have already known the product of derivative of two functions. So for that we consider, let u and v be any two differential function, any two differential differentiable function of x. So they are differentiable with respect to x. Andre derivative exists kadavri andra pure derivative. So we have already known that. We know that derivative of product of two functions, that is derivative of u into v. So product of two functions, the derivative, keep u as it is, derivative of v with respect to x. So plus v as it is, derivative of u with respect to x. So now what we have to do, we need the integration of the product of two functions. So let me integrate, let me name for this as the equation number 1. And also we know the notations, how we represent that is the derivative. Du by dx can be written as a u dash, and dv by dx ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ v dash ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So v dash, using this rule we are going to add this theorem. So is a ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, integrating on both sides of equation number 1. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ integrate. So derivative of u into v into dx is equal to integration of u into ಏನಂದ್ರೆ v dash ಅಂತೀವಿ, v dash plus v into u dash into dx. So we know that with the help of this property we can write this u into v is equal to integration. We know the sum rule, integration of f of x plus g of x into dx ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, integration of f of x plus into dx plus integration of g of x into dx. So now we integration is integration of u v dash into dx plus integration of v u dash into dx, v into u dash. So let me bring this term on this side. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, integration of u v sorry. So we can write this v into u dash into dx. So this is the formula we are using for finding the derivative integral of product of two function. So how to identify u and v dash? So on the rule we are going to identify this u and v dash on the basis of, so this u and v dash are identified on the rule ILATE rule. According to the ILATE rule, the u and v dash are identified. So we have to consider u and u v dash. According to this, I indicates the inverse trigonometric function, L logarithmic function, A algebraic, T trigonometric, E exponential. So how they comes the function, on that we have to consider. So according to the order of these alphabets of the ILATE, so we have to consider those function as u and v dash. Suppose ನೀವು ಒಂದು trick ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If suppose we got inverse trigonometry only, so we don't know the exact integral of inverse trigonometry, and the product no function is there, at that time we have to consider that is the second function as a 1. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, 1 as a second function. So 1 as a second function. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು u v dash. Suppose I ಮತ್ತು L ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, they are considered as a one function and there is no another function that we have to take one as another function. Suppose if we got L and A algebraic and trigonometric, algebraic and logarithmic, if we got, at that time we have to collect that is u as a logarithmic first and after that v dash as the algebraic second function. So simple example we can take, that is equal to, what is the integration of x e raised to x into dx? We can easily find out. So x means algebraic, e means exponential. So first ಯಾವುದು letter ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, algebraic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು u ಅಂತ, u is equal to x. So v dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, e raised to x. So that is e raised to. So in the formula we have to write the formula. Integration of u v dash into dx is equal to uv minus integration of u dash v into dx. So shall we write like this? U dash under u dash v under under. So product is committed to one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ u v u dash v ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಐತಿ u dash v ಐತಿ v dash ಐತಿ v ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ integration ಮಾಡೋದು. So u dash means what? X is the derivative in 1. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V is equal to integration of e raised to x into dx. e raised to x ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಬಂದೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ e raised to x. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. We substitute all the things whatever we have considered. So that is integration of x e raised to x into dx is equal to u ಅಂದ್ರೆ x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ e raised to x minus u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 into e raised to x into dx. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 into e raised to x, e raised to integration of e raised to x, e raised to x. So x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus, so this completes the integral of this x e raised to x. ಹಿಂಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. algebraic exponential logarithmic algebraic. So logarithmic algebraic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, logarithmic ಅಂದ್ರೆ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ log. So ಆಮೇಲೆ algebraic ಅದು v dash ಅಂತ. According to that you have to follow that is choosing of the u and v dash according to this ILATE rule. I ಅಂದ್ರೆ inverse, L ಅಂದ್ರೆ logarithmic, A ಅಂದ್ರೆ algebraic, T ಅಂದ್ರೆ trigonometric, E ಅಂದ್ರೆ exponential function. So after this we are going to the another function, another derivation. So that is also very important. With the help of the theorem, the first theorem of the integral, we are going to find out, we are going to prove that also. So you know the integral of the type, second one, integral of the type, integral of the type, integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to, so ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x into f of x. So this we have to prove that plus c, ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ so we have to use that is the derivative. So ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ derivative ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ integration ಹೇಳಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So let me know that is the derivative of product of two functions simultaneously. We know that to prove this, we know that so the derivative of e raised to x into f of x, e raised to x into f of x the derivative is ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ e raised to x ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ, e raised to x derivative of f of x ರೀ plus f of x ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ derivative of e raised to x, product of two function of the derivative ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. So f derivative of f of x and ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ e raised to x into f dash of x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ plus f of x into derivative of e raised to x in e raised to x. So ಇದ್ರಾಗ e raised to x ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ e raised to x into ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀವಿ f of x plus f dash of x. So that is why we have to write like this means, so that is addition is already commutative, that is derivative of e raised to x into f of x into dx. So ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು integrating on both the side with respect to x, integrating on both the side with respect to x, integration ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೆ so that integration of derivative of e raised to x into f of x into dx is equal to integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. ಐತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾದ್ರಿ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ f dash of x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x, f dash integration of f dash of x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x. So the first theorem of the integration start ಆಗೋದನ್ನ first theorem prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ integration of derivative of f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು, implies e raised to x into f of x plus c is equal to integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So it implies that integration e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. So this completes the problem. This theorem. with the help of this theorem and previous product rule, we are going to solve the certain problems on this. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗೋಣ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೀ. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal to what? E raised to x f of x plus c. So if you remember this, then so either the derivation ಕೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. So they will not ask that is the derivations of how we derived that, but they will definitely ask the problems on this. So let me solve the problems regarding the product integration by parts. Later we will see that is integration of another type, that is integration of e raised to x into bracket f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to what we got. So that later we will discuss. So first in that integration by parts method, that is first find the integral of log x into dx. Nodri, integration of log x into dx ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ log x into dx ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐಲೆಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ILATE. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಎಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ log x into 1 dx. ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, v dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ l into logarithm. u is equal to log x 3. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ರೂಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೈತಿ log x, ಏನಾರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, v dash is equal to 1 and v dash is equal to 1. ಸೊ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, u dash ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ log x ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ log x. log x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನ್ರಿ 1 by x. v ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. v is equal to integration of 1 dx. 1 ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನ್ರಿ x. So we got that u dash v dash v ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ u v dash into dx is equal to uv minus integration of u dash v into dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ log x, v dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ 1 into dx is equal to u that we got log x, v so into x minus integration of u dash 1 by x, v x into dx. So that is equal to x into log x minus integration of 1 dx minus integration of 1 dx. ಒಂದದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಒಂದದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನ್ರಿ x. So that is equal to integration of log x into dx is equal to ಏನು ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ x log x minus ಒಂದದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನ್ರಿ x plus c. So or we can write that as x as a common log x minus 1 plus c. So this is the integration of log x into dx. So that with the product rule we are. So next after this, we'll take the another problem. Second problem. Integration of square e raised to x, x square e raised to x into dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, I L A T E, I L A T E. According to that we have to solve. I ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, x square algebra, e raised to x exponential. First letter ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, algebra ಅಂದ್ರೆ u ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So that is u is equal to x square, v dash is equal to e raised to x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ, u dash ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. u dash is equal to x square ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, x square ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2x. v dash ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ v ಬೇಕು, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e raised to x into dx. e raised to x ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ, e raised to x, e raised to x. So integration of u v dash into dx is equal to uv minus integration of u dash into dx, u dash into v dx. ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, like integration of x square e raised to x into dx is equal to u ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x minus integration u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x into dx. So is equal to x square e raised to x minus 2 integration of x e raised to x into dx, x e raised to x into dx. So ಇದು ಏನ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗುದಲ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ I1. ಸೊ x square e raised to x minus 2 I1 plus Cn ಮುಗಿತ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ, that ಇದಕ್ಕೆ equation number 1. I1 is equal to integration of x e raised to x, integration of x e raised to x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಸೊ algebraic ಮತ್ತೆ exponential. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, algebra ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೋ. ಸೊ u ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ನೇಮ್, u1 x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ v1 dash is equal to e raised to x ಅಂತ. ಸೊ u1 dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, u1 dash is equal to 1, x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನ್ರಿ 1, v1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to integration of e raised to x into dx. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ e raised to x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, e raised to x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನ್ರಿ, e raised to x, e raised to x. ಸೊ ಈಗ ರೂಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ u1 v1 dash into dx is equal to u1 v1 minus integration of u1 dash into v1 into dx. So that is equal to I1 is equal to, so u1 v1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x e raised to x minus integration of u1 dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, v1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x into dx. So I1 is equal to x e raised to x minus e raised to x. e raised to x ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ e raised to x. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, so we will substitute in equation number 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಏನೈತಿ 1, integration of x square e raised to x is equal to x square e raised to x minus 2 times of I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c1. So plus c1, ಎರಡು ಸಲ c ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, it is constant, sum of constant itself. Don't worry about it. So then x square e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x minus 2 into plus, that is plus 2 e raised to x plus c. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ e raised to x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. e raised to x ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. So that is integration of x square e raised to x. So this completes the problem into dx. So this completes the problem. So next we move to that is the third problem. So third problem is integration of x log x. Third problem, find integration of x log x. X log x into dx. So x ಅಂದ್ರೆ first function algebraic ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು logarithm first letter ಯಾವ್ದಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ logarithm. So logarithmic first ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ logarithmic ತಗೋಬೇಕು. u is equal to log x, v dash is equal to x. So like this. ಆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ u v dash ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ಆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ u dash ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ log x ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by x. v ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ integration of x dx. So integration of x ಏನ್ರಿ that is x square by 2. So already now formula ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ is equal to integration of u v dash into dx is equal to uv minus integration of u dash into dx. So u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ log x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x square by 2 minus u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ 1 by x, v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ x square by 2 into dx. x square ಒಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ x square by 2 log x minus integration 1 by 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಕ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ x ಹೋಯ್ತ್ರಿ x into dx. So is equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integration of x dx. x ni integral is x square by 2 plus c. x square by 2 into c. So 1 by 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So that is equal to, we get the answer x square by 2 log x. So minus x square by 4 plus c. So this completes the problem. So idu problem agitri. More problem mugisideve. So next we see that is the fourth problem in the next video classes. So you more muduri same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ u ಮತ್ತು v dash ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಎದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ u v dash ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this completes today the video classes. Tomorrow we'll see some more problems on the integration by parts, and next we come to that is the integration. So by the integration of the type 2, that what we have discussed on that. So this completes the ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.